Porque sobran billetitos de a 100. No me la tiro, pero hay con qué. Y traigo con qué responder.
What's going on, guys? We're back again with another video. I actually didn't get to film an intro for this video, but I'm gonna be switching my shift knob to a glow in the dark one. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm using this. I'm gonna go here, and there's a black plastic going around, which is glossy, and then there's the matte looking one plastic. This is the one you need to pull from this line. You gotta skip to the second one. Oh, there it is, guys. Right there. We're going to remove this cable right here. And you're going to be needing one of those little star tools again. I don't know which one it is, but we'll find out right now. Okay, in here. This right here. This is where you're going to need that star.
No se puede girar más.
No, de cosa.
Ahí está.
A ver, lo jalo. Alright guys, I ended up putting a zip tie to hold on to it. And here it is. Empieza a agarrarlo aquí, dale. Bájale. No, lo jala. Sí, empújalo de aquí abajo mejor. The red stuff, you really have to completely take it off. And rip it off. This, because it's glued to this part. So
Pero porque se ve así está. Tiene la casa, esto va a ir a basura. Esto va a ir a mí.
Alright guys, this is it. How does it look? This is looking hella fire, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It was a little hard, but he did it. What's up? I'm here with my doggy. You can barely see him, sorry. But I'm gonna show you the shift knob and how it looks. So when the light is on, it looks like this. Let me turn the light off on my car and we'll get to it. This is how it looks. Well, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. It came out really cool. There was a red one that I wanted. It was also glow in the dark, but they were sold out. So I ended up getting the green one just so I can see and try it out. Maybe later on I will be getting the red one. So like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn your notifications on because there's going to be more videos coming soon.
Cada
See you
quien su
guys.
meta, alisto la maleta, rumbo pa' las estrellas. Así me la paso bien.